I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today's hair sponsor is YGWigs. We're super excited to have them back. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch wear and go pre-plucked, pre-bleached, pre-cut glueless straight wig. This also has the C-curve ear tab.
Take me to your heart. I belong to you. Take me to your soul.
It's pre-cut, ready to wear. I'm gonna go in with my Lemon spray. I'm gonna go in with some powder along the hairline. Take sections. We want to press the hair out. I'm using Eco Styling gel and hairspray to get the wig to lay really flat because I notice it's looking a little bulky here and I like it giving flat, giving it's natural. I'm noticing like there are some layers here.
Satisfying you when I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it up, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like.
Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray some spray here along the hairline.
Wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight.
So logically, I think with this style, because the hair comes like this already, I think it should be curled under. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna curl it under. We haven't done the baby hairs yet, so don't be alarmed, y'all. I'm just kind of all over the place today.
Oh, it feels like.
In with the same spray that I was using.
Yellow, yellow, it hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow, it hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Don't misbehave. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny.
Combing it out to get the angle properly.
Something in your eyes, the way you stare at me that I like. Wanna let you go, but it's like
huge gap anywhere, you don't want that. Like there's a huge gap here. I feel like it needs to be more of a transition. And then you just have to replicate that on the side. Again, this hair did come already layered with like that portion layered. So all I'm doing is seeing it through.
We tried too many times. You got me feeling cool. You got me feeling blue. Something but you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. You like I? Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies.
Bumping the ends. You can still wear her glueless without glue because I secured her just with this ebon spray. So I did go ahead and tint the lace with my ebon lace tint spray. I highly recommend this spray if you don't have it already, or using some sort of powder foundation or liquid foundation to put on the lace, because that's going to help make it look the most realistic. Now this really deep parting space is amazing. The best way to showcase a parting space like this is to leave it in the middle part. So glueless, ready to wear, deep parting space, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and ready to go. It is made with beautiful hair, the type that when you move it just goes back into place. That's this wig. It's beautiful. Right where the closure portion was, I felt like those hairs were a little bit shorter. In the pics it doesn't really show that it's layered like that, so I want you guys to know if you do get this wig, it's going to come with some layers. Now I went ahead and cut it a little bit shorter. I'm actually noticing that it's not the same here, it's a little bit longer. I went ahead and cut some face framing layers to add a little bit more something to the hairstyle, and I'm happy with how it turned out. If I want to tweak the wig to make it look better for me, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do what's necessary and what's gonna make me ultimately love the wig even more. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. That is all for today. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up because it really does go a long way. I'll catch you guys in another video real soon. Bye for now.